Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Cayman. The design of the Cayman models is benefiting of their distinctive sporty character. Their performance potential is obvious at first sight, for these are true specimens of force and athleticism. Individual styling features help to define the Cayman so impressively. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, power passenger seat, keyless entry, air conditioning, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.